My name is Yasanon. I am Christian Mary Cochrane Township. Tonight I want to tell you about my daily activity. I get up at 6 a.m. in the morning. I brush my teeth, wash my feet, and to exercise. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock, and then I take a shower. I get dressed after I wear makeup. I go to school at 9:30 a.m. I finish class at 11 o'clock. I had lunch. I go to school again. When I finish it, I go down to my room at 12:30 a.m. I had 1 hour to take a nap. I go to school again. I finish class at 3 p.m. I go to class again. I finish class at 4 o'clock. I eat Thai noodles with my friend and make a friend. After that, I take a shower. I had dinner. I say prayer at 7 o'clock. I go to nursery at 7:30 p.m. Finish at 10 p.m. I brush my teeth and I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Thank you for listening.